Love and greetings to you. I'm Paul Friedman, founder of the Marriage Foundation. If you're here for the first time, a very special welcome to you. This topic is how to make your partner value you more. I'm going to go into this. It's very deep. It's very beautiful. And you're going to like this. I only ask you that you subscribe and later on like the video. Let's get into the topic. Now, why did you marry your husband? You fell in love. You met him, you decided he was perfect for you, and he also felt the same about you. What did he value most about you? Because this is really what it comes down to. We want to know how to make him value you again, or pick up where it started to drop off. Remember when you were dating? And you were so sweet, so nice. You laughed at all of his jokes. You fixed his shirt. You did little things for him. He loved it. And then over time, you started to get used to him. And what happened was you started to be critical of him. You started to complain to him. And one of the killers of marriage is overfamiliarity. And that's what occurs. There's actually four killers of marriages, but this overfamiliarity is present in every single one of them that starts falling apart. How could he possibly value you? Be thinking about, oh, she's so amazing, she's so beautiful, when you're looking at him with a scowl, complaining about this or that, being critical of him. You see, it's not so much that you want to do things for him, that you want to say things to him. Those don't count. You have to be who you promised him you would be when you got married. You promised him you would love him forever, that your heart just opened up to him, and it was so real. But over time, it started slipping away. So even in my two books, I talk about the 3 killers of marriage. You go to our website, you could download for free the 10 top do's and don'ts for marriage. If your marriage is in serious trouble, you could take the course for women and get back into your heart. Start opening your heart to him. You don't have to say something when he does something wrong. You can let it go, just like you used to. You could smile at him, tell him how handsome he is, how much you love him, how much you appreciate him. But if you do that phony, it's not going to work. You got to get back to who you were. This is what happens to all of us in the world, simply because we're not taught. It's a lack of knowledge that we have about marriage. We think we get married and we just live our marriages and it's like a ride at Disneyland or something, but that's not the truth. The truth is you have to value him, and you have to value him in ways that you used to, and then he will value you back. It's one of the few areas where I don't say have no expectations. Have positive expectations, but based on your efforts to be back to who you were. That woman that he fell in love with, that he would die for. And you have the power to do it. So definitely subscribe to the channel. Definitely like this video because it's helped you. And then come back and see us again. I'm Paul Friedman. I'm the founder of the Marriage Foundation. God bless you. God bless your husband and family. And take care.